Here are some weird and interesting facts about dogs. Dogs have a sense of time. They can sense when it's time for their regular activities like feeding or going for a walk. Dalmatians are born completely white. Their spots start to appear as they grow older. Dogs have a wet nose because it helps enhance their ability to smell. The moisture on their nose helps capture scent particles from the air. The Basenji dog breed is known as the barkless dog because it produces unique yodel-like sounds instead of barking. A dog's sense of smell is incredibly powerful. They have up to 300 million olfactory receptors in their noses, compared to around 6 million in humans.